I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
So let me open Tosca Commander.
నేను అక్కడ ఇందాకే అంకుల్ మొత్తం స్టోరీ చెప్తాను. బెంగళూరులో చాలా తతంగా అయింది.
Guys,
అసలు
please keep in
నేను లాంచ్
mute.
కోసం 4 hours ఎర్లీ వచ్చా. అయ్యో 4 hours ఎర్లీ వస్తే
Guys,
స్ట్రీట్
please keep
మిడిల్
in mute.
వచ్చింది. విండో మార్చుకుందాం, ఆల్రెడీ వెబ్ చెక్ ఇన్ చేసేసాను. మిడిల్ విండో చేసుకున్నాం, మళ్ళీ లైన్ లో ఉంచున్నాం.
Okay. They just opened and kept somewhere. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, today is Saturday, so rest of the people, they will enroll today and tomorrow. They will continue Monday onwards paid session, sir. Today, most of the people, they are outside only.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I can
We will
continue. No
continue
problem.
Monday onwards paid session, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So let me take this class. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, previously we have seen what is how the interface of Tosca, and we just discussed. You just entering so far. You're just trying to understand how the Tosca interface and all, and we have seen this is a title and menu bar, and this is ribbon you can call, and this is section. You can say all these are sections. Okay, and this is tree view. This is middle of the page. This is details view, and this is properties. So we'll work on this properties, details. Most probably we'll work on, we'll use this menus. Next, this also ribbon also, test cases and modules execution. All these are there. This we can call it as sections. Okay, and this is tree view. Whatever related to section, if you open that related, you will see here. Okay, test case design, execution, whatever. If you want to click anything, like anywhere, so you'll see all related that list. Okay, module related list, test case related list. So this we can call it as a tree view. And the middle of the page, you see this we can call it as details view. All the details will display on top of this. And this is properties. Okay, properties view. Okay, and last class I also shown how to create a test case all. Okay, let us go deep dive into it one by one. So if I directly create a test case, if I directly create a module, there are chances to create big confusion for you. Okay, you'll be confused. So let me take you very slowly. Okay, you need to understand very slowly what is all this terminologies. Okay, so here so let us discuss today about modules. What is module? Okay, so for you, there are modules, test cases. Most probably we'll work on test cases modules mainly, most 99%, 100%. These, without these we can't create anything. Okay, so let's discuss today about module. What is module? Okay, module is the section. It is a section, it is also a section. Okay, and use it to hold the technical information. Okay, I also shown here. Yeah, this is a PPT. So what is modules in Tosca? Okay, modules are used to store the controls information in the form of list of properties. Okay, example, I'll show you. Suppose this is a register, right? So let me open okay, this is a register, right? This is a one web application. This web application, if you want to get related all, okay, so this details, whatever details are there, these are all properties. So but you can't see this background in the Tosca. So Tosca, what it will do, it will come and it will scan. Whenever it scans background, whatever properties which I have shown, that will be captured. It will capture and it will store in the modules. Understood? It will store in the modules. That is what it is saying. Modules are used to store the controls. What is control here? Control in the sense you can register, login, shopping cart, all these. Okay. These are all we can call it as a controls. Okay. This is control, this is control, this is okay. Next, controls information in the form of list of properties. That's what I am saying. So let me open. So for suppose this is a register, right? So if I click on register, you see the title, okay, and ID, node path created by, so all this description, all those whatever it is related, that related information related to register information, okay, this related registered background, registered entire whatever the information is there. So this one, it will store in the form of list of property. Okay. So the title also, including title. Or where is the title you get? You see, this is demo web shop. It will store the title, name of the page. What is this name of the page? This is the home page. In the home page, it will store with the name title. Where it is there? You see here, right? Demo web shop. This is a title. This title, it's stored here. Like that, whatever the technical properties, the all the technical properties and terminologies, everything, whatever I can say. So background, just you can see only while you are scanning, just you click it. But background, what is it's capturing entire data. And whenever it captured and it is storing in the module, that is the purpose of module. Okay, and it will store in the module. After that, after storing it, you simply drag this and drop to the particular test case like this. You will create some test case. Okay, you will create some test case and you will paste on top of this test something kind of. So example, I have a register module. This I will just drop, nothing else I did, just hold it. How to drag and drop? You simply hold this icon, drag this and drop on top of this test case. Okay. So what property it is? What is the function here? You just need to click. This is click operation. You have to click only, then only it will open this register page, right? So that operation you need to mention in the value. What operation you are doing? Click operation. Simple. Okay. Whenever you run this, automatically it will go and it will click on that register. Example, I'll show you. See this? It is doing. You may say maybe this is not clicked by Tosca. You have clicked. Okay, some people will say, no, actually this Tosca not clicked. You only clicked, right? So in that case, if I did like that, the result, okay, the result will not open. Okay, can you see? This test case result will open. What is the test case result? It click operation it does. Okay, this is what. Guys, keep in mute. Okay, so this click operation, it does, right? Successfully, we have done. So again, just come to the theory here. And modules play a key role in identifying any control during the execution. Exactly. What it is going on background? First we will run on actually in reverse way going on actually. First we will scan this, scan the properties. Okay. First, where is that? Here. Scan this. First we will scan this. Whenever you scan, these properties will store in the module. Here in the module, these are all details stored. After storing this, you just drag and drop on top of this test case. That's what you does, right? So you do this process, but while you are executing, you need to do reverse. You have to run this. Whenever you run this, Tosca come here. Okay. What Tosca? First Tosca come here. Tosca will check click operation. Okay. So I have to click. Okay, that's fine. But if I want to click, what to click? Register. Okay, it will go to the background module. Where is the, it is connected, register is connected with the module. This module, it will check the technical properties. What are the properties, register related properties? It will check the, okay, this is tag, inner text, whatever this background, however it will match with this, right? Background the properties, or it will check with all the properties. If it is matches, so okay, then Tosca will come here to the application and it will perform the action. Okay, it will click on register. This is what it happens. Okay, so that is what it means. Okay, Tosca identifies the controls by using the properties stored in the module. That's what I explained. Okay, Tosca only recognize the control, identify the control by using module properties, by taking help of these properties. Okay, next, once we click on run, Tosca reads this test step. This is the test step. What is that? When you run on top of this, okay, when you run on top of this, first it will go to the test step. What is this? Is test case and this is test step. There is difference. Okay, this is test step. In one test case, there are multiple test steps are there. Okay, so first it will, you will run on in this, it will go to the test step. Okay, next, okay, it will read the test step, immediately go to the module section, immediately go to the module section. Here, whatever login operation, wherever the login operation, if I want to go, so let me check. Okay, wherever the login operation is there, it will come here, login operation, it will check and it tries to find the relevant module in the step. Okay, tries to find, by taking help of all these properties, it will recognize what to do. Okay, next, if the relevant module is available in the module section, the Tosca will execute step successfully. That's what we have done just before. Otherwise, it will throw error or and stop the execution. You will get failure. Okay, it will be failure. Okay, so how, what is happening? So I'll try to make you to very much, I'll try to make you to understand. Okay, suppose this is a application. Suppose this is a application. Okay, in application, what we have a register, right? What we have, more controls, login. Just we'll take two examples, that's it. Okay, these are all two different, what are those controls? Okay, this is, just imagine this is a application. What is that application? Demo web shop. It is not workshop, demo web shop. Most probably all, some of the people will call demo workshop. It's not workshop, demo web shop. Or in real time, you say your project application, like example, Flipkart or Amazon or Mintra, something like, I don't want to keep more names. Okay, like this. This is any one application. Okay, so next, and this is Tosca Commander. This is Tosca Commander. Okay, this is Tosca Commander. So what we have in the Tosca Commander? In the Tosca Commander, we have test cases, we have modules, right? So let us take suppose what I will do, let me take here one. Suppose this is it will be little smaller, but it's okay. Can I delete this? Okay, I'll take this big one. Okay, and just imagine this is a module section. This is a module section, and this is a test case. Okay, suppose, just I'm saying suppose, for suppose, let me take here names. Okay, so this is test case section. Okay, this is module section. Okay, what is this? This is Tosca Commander. Okay, this is Tosca Commander. In the Tosca Commander, test case section is there, module section is there, correct? Okay, so I have created one test case for suppose. Let me keep one good symbol. Okay, suppose this is one test case. I have created one test case here. Okay, so first of all, you try to understand while we are creating a module, first of all, what is the process? What is the process? Here we have to, not this, I think so. This is not. Let me close this. This is not necessary. Okay. So first we have to scan the register, right? We have to scan the register, right? To scan the register, what we have to do first in the register. Let me take here. This is register. Okay. We are going to scan this. Whenever you scan this, what happened? Whenever you scan this, I will use pen better. Okay. Whenever you scan register, this is a process actually. First, what you have to do, you have to register. What you have to scan the register, right? Whenever you scan, if you want to scan the register, what you have to do, you have to use X-Scan. Okay. There is a, in the module, you have to create a folder first. Okay. Just you need to create a folder. Let us go step by step. You will create a folder. Okay. In this folder, your what you have to do, if you right click on this again, it will, you need to do what you have to do, you have to use X-Scan. X-Scan. Okay. Okay. You have to How to do that? In the Tosca, in the module itself, whenever you right click on it, automatically it will show X-Scan. In the X-Scan itself, it will show the application. Okay, what is that? Application. You have to click on application. Okay, whenever you click on application, it will open a window. It will open a window. Okay, that window. In this window, by taking help of this window, this is called X-Scan. Okay, okay, let me copy. I'll try to write here. What is that? The window name called as X-Scan. By taking help of X-Scan, you will capture the register. Okay, this is just a scan. Okay, not X-Scan. How to remove this? Where is the erasure? Here, this zone. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so let me write here. This is just a scan. Okay, scan. First, this is a module folder. Suppose folder. You created a folder, one folder. Okay, you created a folder in the module section. After that, you scan, right click and scan. Just right click. Right, whenever you right click, it will show scan. You have to click on scan, automatically it will display application. Whenever you click on this, automatically it will open X-Scan. Okay, X-Scan, right? Okay, let me keep like this. Okay, whenever you click on application, X-Scan will open. In this X-Scan, whenever it displays, you need to click on. Initially, you should not go to the advanced settings. You just open just only basic. Okay, just let it. Initially, you start with the basic only. You just click on only basic. Automatically, it will display the register. If your cursor, whatever your cursor, whenever it X-Scan opens, if you keep the cursor on top of register, if you keep the cursor on top of register, okay, let me take this. Okay, if you keep the cursor on register, automatically this register will be scanned. Whenever you click on this register, automatically this register related properties and information will be displayed here. Understood? So you have to rename here. You have to rename here. Understood? After rename here, and you have to close, finish and close. Finish is next step. After that, close. Maybe I'll keep here. Okay, don't confuse. I'll keep here. Let me keep this, or else I'll make small one. No, I can't. Okay, maybe that's fine. As text size is not changing, that's okay. Fine, close. These are all steps actually. Okay, so let me take this, rename, finish to close. All are this. Okay, that's it. After that, what happens immediately? Immediately, whenever you finish to and close, automatically all the properties, whatever it is captured by X-Scan, that will be stored in the module. Okay, this is in here in the module only. Okay, this is the process to capture. After finishing this, and the controls properties, whatever control properties are there, those will be stored here as a module. What is that module name? Let me keep a square box. What is that module name? Okay, module name is, what is that module name here? Control name register, with the name of register. Okay, so if you rename it, so with the same name only it will save. Okay, this is a register. After this, what we will do, what is this? This is a test case section. This is a test case. So I'll do one thing. This is a folder, for suppose you can keep better. You need to follow proper structure. Folder, you need to follow proper hierarchy. Okay. Just this, you just consider this as a folder. Inside this folder, okay. Inside this folder, I'm just keeping a structure. You see, this is a test case. Inside this folder, you created, this is a test case. Okay, I'm not giving any name. Test case, you need to understand properly. That is the reason I'm just keeping it as a just test case only. Okay, right, test case. In this test case, what you have to do? Okay, so first you created a folder in this test case. Okay, test case, for test case, one symbol will be there. Okay, you just by seeing that you can able to recognize. Okay, so now test case got created. What I have to do, this register module is there, right? Whatever we have scanned from application, this one, what we have to do, we have to drag and drop on top of this test case. Okay, we have to drag and drop. Better I'll use there is no more. Okay, let me use this pen. Okay, we have to drag and drop on top of this. Is, you have to drag here, you have to drop here. Clear? So whenever you drop here, okay, you just dragged here and you dropped here. Okay, whenever you drag and drop here, automatically the values will be displayed. Okay, okay, values section will be displayed. Okay, the values section, you have to give the value. What operation we have done here? Register, right? Register in the sense it is a control. What is going on here? Tell me, guys. See here. In this, what operation we are doing? We are clicking, right? Simply we are clicking on top of this. This is called click operation, right? So what we have to do? We have to give the click operation here. Here we have to do click operation. So CLICK, click. Whenever you click on that value, automatically it will display like this. Background, it should be like this. Okay. Clear? So now once after giving the value here in this test case, after that you just simply um, I'll use this. How should I display you like this? Okay, so I'll override it. Okay, whatever your test case is there or folder. So if you want to run all the test cases at a time, you have to right click on folder. No, I don't want to do individually, I have to run. So if you want to run individually, you just right click on top of this, or else I'll show a direction better. So unnecessarily, why should we? Okay, so what we have to do, after clicking this, After giving the value, you are just giving the value here, nothing you are doing. Okay, just giving the value, enter the values, nothing else. Okay, here in this, better I can keep here. That's it. Okay, so after entering the values, what you have to do, you have to right click. Better I can use like this. So I'll take a like this. Right click. Right click on this and run the scratch book. Run scratch book. Okay, that's it. Right. So this also where you have to right click. I want to display you properly. So let me show you the direction where you have to right click, test case on top of test case. Clear? So if you do this process initially, you need to understand everything. That is the reason I just draw enter the structure. Clear? Okay. So but once you do, you can understand everything very much clear. Okay. So this is how process happens. Understood? Okay. So let me come here. Hiding controls. I'll give you the access. Okay. Don't worry. So I'll give you the access once after enrolling and all. So I'll give you access for this document. So you can able to access this. Clear? So I saved in the document. Okay. Also, I can save from here itself or PDF, whatever you want. Okay, that's it. If you want PNG, also PNG. So this is how the background process happening for just one scan. Shall we do this like this for login? Yesterday we have done this for register, right? Shall we try for login today? Hmm? Anyone respond? Did you
Yes.
understand or not? Did you
Yes.
understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. So the same process, yesterday we have done this for register. Let us try for the login. Okay. So what email ID we have used yesterday? Okay, some email ID is there. So let us use this. Okay. Okay, fine. So let me delete this because I already saved it. No problem. Delete all drawings. That's good. Okay. So no worries. It is with me still. Okay. This one. Let me paste here. Okay. No problem. So here, let us do, let's just need to observe properly, guys. Okay. I'll try to, whatever the process I explained to you, I'll follow all the steps. Don't worry. Okay. So here, I'll close all this. Okay. So this, I just want to keep this in the home page. This is home page. Okay. So let me cross check whether these credentials are working or not. Let me check. Yesterday we created, right? Register with the same credentials. I'm opening. Yeah, it is working. Okay. Just log out and keep in the home page. Just follow my words. I'm in a home page. Okay. So let us scan this login. Let me go to the Tosca commander. I don't want to extend all the stuff. Okay. Let me use let me create a folder. Okay. This is a folder. Can you see here? It looks like folder. Just forget about inside the symbol or icon. You see, this look like a folder, right? In your Windows system. Okay. Inside module is there. Okay. This is look like a folder. Okay. Okay. See, I'm just, if you want to create a folder, just right click on it. Click on the folder. It will open like this. So what we are actually connecting 730, right? 730 demo web shop. This is your wish. Name, it doesn't make any change. So just I'm keeping a name. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So as I said, after creating, just follow me. Okay. After creating, what is this? Why it is, that's okay. Let it be. After creating a folder, what we have to do? Right click on it. Okay. First right click and scan. After right click, scan, right? Scan. Click on scan. Whenever you click on scan, you see application. The same I have shown you, right? Yes. Click on application. Okay. It will open all the applications, whatever it is there currently open. So you just need to cross check. You just need to identify which application you want to scan out of all this. Okay. So I know that my application. So then I directly open from here. So even it would be little visible. So if you want check each and everything, just click on it. Automatically background it will show. See this like this. See, this is my application, right? So whenever you see, just click on scan. This is called as X-Scan. That's what I have shown. While you are scanning, it doesn't allow to show and switch here and there. Okay. While you are scanning, please do not do like that. While you are scanning, you should do proper and sincere scan. If you do mistake, it will impact on, no doubt, on top of module, right? So just go to the basics. I'm not going to touch anything advanced right now. Just go to the basic view. That's it. Okay. Just now I'm not doing anything. Simply whatever the cursor is here, this cursor you just keep on top of login. That's it. Click. See left side you see login, right? So I want to rename this. Instead of demo web shop, I want to make a proper name, because if you keep demo web shop, everywhere in this page, everywhere you click from the home page, the same name will be applicable. That is the reason I don't want to make conflict. So that is the reason I just want to keep here a proper name. So click on login. Naming conventions, you need to follow proper naming conventions in your projects also. Okay, that's good. I just scanned it. Whatever properties it is related, all will be all already captured. Okay, whenever I whenever I click on this finish screen and close, all the properties will store in the module. Just finish it. Okay, it will display again. After saving, you see module saved successfully. After that, you have to close. Just simply close. I don't want to do more, right? So just simply close. That's it. Closed, right? Let us go to the module and let us try to check. You see here? Yes. It captured all the details. You see? It is related to all the login related information captured and stored on top of your module. Inside the module. It's stored in the module, nothing else. So now what you have to do? Anyone respond? So what I have to do? You just hold this module icon. So before that,
Yes.
yeah. So before that, what I have to do? First, I have to create a folder inside test case. This is what we have done. Right? We have done all this process, guys. It looks like a big image, but this process we have done within, seconds, within half minute, I guess. You see. Next, what we have to do? We have to create. We have to go to the test case and we have to create a folder. Let's do. Okay. I'm going to create a folder. I'll follow the same name because this is relevant to that, right? Copy this name and you just paste here. FNF2 will, functional keys will work here. Windows functional keys work here. I'm just using shortcuts, FNF2. Or else if you want to rename, can you see this, guys? Right click on top of this, you just click on rename. This is the rename icon, just rename. If I want to delete it, just click on this one for delete. Okay, for search. This is a folder. This is a test case. Okay, so these we're gonna discuss in future. Okay, don't worry about it. Let us go step by step process. I don't want you to confuse and you don't make yourself confuse also. Okay, so this is what. So let me try to create this is just folder. This is not a test case. This is just folder. Once you create a folder, inside you need to create a test case. Can you see here? Click on this. So now I want to keep a test case name. So I'll keep the same name. Or else login test case. Right? So I just mentioned this name. Save it. Control S. Always Control S is, you need to type Control S or else you just click on this save button. Can you see here? Save icon. Otherwise, power gone, it will gone. Okay, it won't save. You always need to make habituate save your test cases and modules. Clear? Next, what I have to do? You have to drag this and drop on top of your test case. That's what I mentioned here. Really? The register, whatever the module is there, that module I just drag and drop on top of your test case. What I have to do next? After dropping on top of test case, what I have to do? You have to give the values. This is the value. What operation we have to do? Click operation, right? Simple. Click operation. You just select this. That's it. Again, save. Every new change you must need to habituate to change it. Save it. Every change you have to save. Next, what I have to do? Right click on top of test case and right click and you just try to run in the scratch book. Let's see. See, it clicked successfully. We have done. This is what happening background. Okay. So what is this? Click operation done. That's it. Next, I have to enter the credentials, right, guys? So what we have to do now? Okay. So if I want to enter the credentials here, first of all, we need to scan this. Understood? We have to scan email, we have to scan password, we have to scan login also. So let me try to scan one more module. Okay. What I have to do, right click on top of this, click on scan, application. Whenever you click on that, automatically it will open X-Scan window. I'm repeating. I repeat, this is a X-Scan. This also interview question. Okay. So just select this and click on scan. Okay. Once after clicking on top this, you need to wait until it buffers. Don't do anything. You have to wait patience with the patience. Okay. So just I'm not doing anything here. Simply come here. Okay. Just keep your cursor here. I'm not doing anything, guys. Just keeping cursor here. Just click. You see there left side. Again, you just click on password. Again, it will be add there. You see that? Okay. And also I want to click on top of login also. Just you see there. So it captured background, whatever the code is there, it automatically by scanning it, it is capturing. Now I want to change the name. What is this? Credentials, login credentials. Okay. Click on login credentials. Better we'll keep like that. Click on login credentials. That's it. Simply click on finish on screen. Okay. Successfully saved module saved successfully. You see the here. Okay. Next to close. Simply close it. I don't want to do more scans, so that's why I'm closing. If you want to do more scans, you can keep it, no problem, but no, you don't need to do it right now. Just try to understand this step, that's it. Now what I have to do, you got module. Now what you have to do, whatever you captured here, that by taking help of the scan, you just captured and you stored in the module. After storing in the module, you have to drag this module and drop on top of your test case. Guys, I'm again saying, you should not drop here, 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 you should not drop anywhere. You should drop on top of test case icon. Exactly, you see this? Here, drop. Properly add like this. So this is a test case and this is a test step. Be careful with the terminologies. Now I would like to add here a email. This is a email. I would like to paste my email ID and the password. Password also. Let me do. Okay. And login. So what operation we are doing? Click operation, right? So let us click. Just click. Simple. Control S. Or else you just click on this. Save that, right? Saved. Let me try to individually. Earlier already I have checked with this login, right? Let me check individually whether these credentials will be enter or not. I'll try to run this only this test step. Okay, run on Scratch book. Run on Scratch book. See this, guys. Beautiful, right? This is really wonder. One of the good invention. Just simply you are capturing and what you are not writing any code, right? You see this? Success, right mark, green color. If it is fail, it will show in red color, cross mark. Clear? And I would like to run all at once. Okay, let me log out and I'll keep in home page. See here. See here, guys. I would like to run. If you want to run, you can also run here. Okay. You just, if you want to perform all these test cases, or if you want to run all the test cases, you just click on this test case. Sorry, if you want to run all these test steps, you just click on this test case, right click on test case. You can also do here, right click and run. Here also, right click and run. Simple. Just let's see what will happen. logged in and enter the credentials. That's it. Finished. You see the result. Click on logged in. It performed click operation here. After that, it entered the credentials. The credentials also displaying here. This is the credential and this is the password. And what operation it does? Click operation. That's it. So this is how happening in the background. I hope you understood. Okay. All right. We scanned like this, huh? Okay. Fine, no problem. I'll find out that and I'll update here. Good picture. No problem. All right. So that's it, guys. That's enough. I'll inject subject in slowly into your minds. Okay. Let us go step by step. You can understand very much better. You will get more subject if you go slow. Try to understand what is happening. Just try to do more practice consistently. Then definitely you'll be master in this. No doubt at all. Okay. So that's it, guys. If you have any queries, please ask me.
Yeah, hi, hello Lokesh.
Hi.
Uh, yeah, I'm enrolled today, so I want to install the Tosca in my system. So how it is the procedure is there?
Yeah, good question. Thank you. Thank you. Tanmay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your name Tanmay only, right?
Yes, Tanmay.
Tanmay, thank you. So this is the step, guys. I forgot actually. I just opened. So guys, this installation process would be like this. Okay, they will send you Google Drive link like this. Okay, so whenever you open this, you will see like this. Okay, you just need to open that. Okay, you need to download it. Okay, after downloading this, you will see in the downloads this icon, Tosca related icon. Okay, so you need to run this Tosca related icon with the administration credentials. I mean, with administration, that's credentials only, right? So if you run administration, automatically it will display this box. Okay, you need to give the administration credentials. Yes, administration permissions you need to give, right? Because you are running on administration. Okay, do not run without administration on this Tosca tool. Right, next step, it will open like this. Okay, so whenever you open this, you have to check on this agree, the checkbox, agree checkbox, terms and conditions will be there. You just simply agree on top of this and you just click on continue. After that, it will show like this. Okay, so you need to select here Tosca Commander. Okay, you need to select Tosca Commander. Okay, so after selecting Tosca Commander, just next. This is not that much hard. It is easy, but you need to follow proper steps. That's it. So these are all prerequisites like you need to review, install, summary. One by one we are doing actually. Okay. So this automatically, whenever you click on this, automatically Microsoft C++ dependencies will be downloaded here in your system, local system. Okay. So you need to wait some time. After that, next you click on next and it will show the path where it is storing. By default it will store in the C drive. This is common for everyone. C drive, it will create inside C drive, it will create a program. No, program files also will be there. Inside this program files 86 Tricentis folder will be created automatically. And with the Tosca test suite, it will, the installation would be here. Okay. So next, the project C drive project, one more folder will be created. The project, what is that? Tosca projects. It will create a one folder called Tosca projects. In C drive, the same, you see here, same path, one more test case. the version will be created. So this is how you can able to directly you can able to navigate, and you directly go there and you can check it after installation. So next, so just for better understanding, I just explained, but you don't need to do anything here. Okay, just simply click on next. Okay, this is default, automatically it will save their particular path. Next, it will show this Tosca diagnostics. Just check it, just for helping like help improve Tosca if in future if there is any kind of changes or updates. So that will help by taking help of this is diagnostics. Just simply check it and next. After that, it will show like this page Tricentis update service. Okay, just enable it. Enable Tricentis updates service features. Next, why? Because so there are a lot of changes happening in Tosca. So if there is any changes, automatically it will take care. You don't need to do it manually. That's why. Next, and Tricentis Tosca data integrity. So you just enable this one also. Enable Tosca integrity functionality. After installation, require data integrity license. You just need to enable this. Okay. So next, after that, you need to click on next. Next one is Vision AI related stuff. Okay. Vision AI. Click on install Tricentis Vision AI engine. This is a latest one, and I already mentioned last class. AI is also, Tosca is also working on top of AI only. By taking help of AI only, we are doing all this stuff. Background, there's a big thing. Okay, just click on this. Tricentis Vision AI engine. Next. Okay, you can read if you have a time. You just read all this stuff. Okay, you will get this document also. Don't worry. Next, after that, it will install like this one by one. Tricentis Classic. So what are those? If you click on immediately or next immediately, you will see in the review Tricentis Classic will be downloaded. Tricentis Tosca Commander will be downloaded. Tricentis T-Box will be downloaded. Tricentis Tosca Integrate Data Integrated downloaded. Tricentis Licensing Environment Vision AI Distributed Execution Agent. So all this relevant to this software like Tosca tool, all will be deleted. Sorry, installed. Just you need to click on install. That's it. After that, you will see like this. Always it will come 100%. So after finishing 100% all installed, it will display like this. Just simply click on finish. Okay. So next, after installing this, no need all this stuff. Okay. That will be done. Okay. So any disk, I don't know why any disk. Click on any disk. Nothing else, guys. This is just nothing else. Why they are showing in the sense this is not enough. Once after finishing it, simply you can't use it because you need to enable. You need to activate the license. For that purpose, actually, you need to download any disk. They will connect and they will enter some code, licensed version code. Okay. So if you can also do this step, but thing is Tosca tool will not work. You can able to download till the download you could do, but the thing is whenever you install, you can able to install also. But thing is whenever you are trying to use the Tosca commander, it will not allow you to use that tool. Okay, so that what you have to do, you need to connect with the admin team. You need to take help from the admin team. Just they will help you to enter the activation license code, then after it will be activate. Okay, okay, understood. So you don't worry about that also. You don't need to do. Our admin team will help you to install this all this stuff. If you are really very much familiar all these steps, then you can do it. If anybody facing any issues, just take help from the admin team. Don't worry about that. We will help you. We are here to help you. Don't worry, guys. Understood? Tanmay? Everybody, this is for all.
Yes, yes.
Okay. It's 8:8. Okay.
When I will get this credentials for this Google Drive link?
You just directly contact to the admin team, so they'll help you if you want. They'll help you maybe tomorrow, or yeah, maybe tomorrow is Sunday, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
maybe they'll help you on Monday. Just contact. They'll
Okay.
check with their feasibility. Okay.
Yeah.
So just contact them. Definitely they'll help you. Right, guys? Next, any questions? So you understood, right? Installation part.
Hey, Lokesh, Bharat here.
Hi, Bharat.
Yeah. Lokesh, I have a doubt here. So this is a demo page, right? Demo
Hmm.
workshop, yeah. Who will give us a requirement like do this testing like that?
I think you did not attended first class, I guess.
I have attended. I have
Ah,
attended.
okay. So in that first class, I mentioned clearly. So the requirement will get from the client. Okay. Whenever you get a project, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you get a project, so same like manual testing also. Okay.
Okay.
Same like manual testing. Are you from non-IT?
Non-IT, yes.
Sorry, Bharat. Okay. I'll explain you very much clear. So in the first demo, if you have enough time, please try to watch again. Okay, while I'm explaining the SDLC, software development life cycle, I clearly explained, but still I'll also explain now also, but it will take little time. Okay, so just watch it again for better understanding, Bharat. So
Okay.
here, what will happen is actually, so you will get a project. Okay, so you will get a project in the sense there will be a background, there will be a big process. We don't want to do, we don't want to involve anything in that actually. The BA will take care, managers will take care. Okay, vice president, all will be involved in that actually. Once you get the project, first that project will be assigned to the developers.
Okay.
Okay, who are there will be hierarchy, so managers will be there, team leads will be there. Okay, so developers will be there, testers will be there. Okay, after that devops team will be there if it is a big company. Okay, so what happens is, once after finishing the code, once after writing the code, so this project will be moved to the testers. Okay, but manually what happens, manual testers, what they will do simultaneously, they have to test. Okay, so and also one more thing. So for this project, for suppose you got one web application project, for suppose you need to test. So that time what manual tester will do, they will create a manual test cases. Okay, that will be forwarded to you. Okay, you will get it. You are as a automation test engineer, you have to work on only on top of Tosca only, don't worry. Okay, by taking reference of manual test cases, you will create. I have already shown you, right, test case how it would be.
Yeah.
I kept somewhere. Yeah, this such kind of manual test cases you will get. So by taking help of this, you need to follow each and every step. You should not skip it. Okay, every step is important, every step. Okay, so this is just for example, I just opened demo web shop. Like that you will have some other application, nothing else. Okay, this is a kind of application, this is also application, right? In this place you will have other application, just company will change, nothing else. So remaining process will be, for suppose if it is a um, insurance company, insurance forms will be there, forms and all those stuff. This is actually
Yeah.
e-commerce related.
Lokesh, I got it, Lokesh. But like, no, what I'm asking, like, so we have gone to that login page and that all right. So,
Hmm.
like, is there any splitwise work, or else like we need to do the whole thing,
No,
like
no,
book
no.
computer
There will be split wise. No worry.
split?
You will get user stories. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
are not only one person. You have a team.
Team.
Your
Oh,
automation team will be there. Okay.
okay. Okay.
So
That's what my
everybody will
question
work.
is.
You are not only alone do all this stuff.
Okay.
You will have a team. Okay.
There
So
are
this,
resources, right? Like,
yeah,
these those
100%.
the resources.
Yes, yes, yes. No doubt at all.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, there plenty of stand-up calls, plenty of knowledge transfer calls. All will happen. Until then, you will get understand what is happening. You can able to understand until then. Okay, you will
Oh,
get it. No worries. No
yeah.
worries about all this. Don't keep all this stuff in your mind. It will create a big panic for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So don't create and don't keep all this stuff. Just to do focus how to learn what to learn. Okay, so if you keep all this stuff, what happens is you'll learn properly. But aside, you'll keep all this stuff in your mind. You will carry this panic with you in interview. Okay, so if they ask such kind of questions, which I doesn't know, so if you keep like that, whatever the first technical related information, what technical related questions you could not able to answer. Clear?
Okay.
So that's it, Bharat. Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope you got.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Right, please do enroll, guys. Let us meet next class and we will continue remaining. Okay, just if you want to if you want to do, if you want to install this Tosca related all stuff, installation, tool installation and all, just contact admin team. And also um, maybe this is a free class till year, free class finished. From Monday onwards, paid sessions will be there. So regular classes will start. So like interested people, please reach out. The admin team, okay, they will help you whatever you want. Don't worry, guys. Okay, you'll have proper helping hand. No worries. Clear? I hope understood. So we'll meet in next class.
Lokesh, one more thing, bro.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So rather than this, like we do have to knowledge on that to Jenkins, so like as you said, CI/CD pipelines. That
That
also.
is too advanced concept you are talking about, Bharat.
Okay. Okay.
Too advanced. Okay,
Mm,
too advanced.
mm,
Without knowing this, you can't able to understand first of all.
okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
if I talk about, you'll get full of confusion. You are actually injecting lot of confusion in your mind.
Mm,
Please stop that. Please stop that. Just do follow step by step process. However, I explained just now, how I have explained to create a module, to create a test case. I just explained this much. I took around this 1 hour to make you to understand. Okay, so you are skipping all there are a lot of concepts are there. It's like web application you need to test, desktop application you need to test. Okay, next SAP related also is there. Okay, APIs are there. There are a lot of concepts are there. Okay, so you need to go step by step process. After that, once you understood all of this, so next to go to the advanced, you just step into advanced. If you directly talk about the CACD and all integration part, this will be skip. This will be vanish. Definitely this will be vanished. So just go, keep a roadmap, proper roadmap. Just follow the roadmap. After getting all this web application, desktop applications, SAP, and all this stuff, whatever which I am going to teach you. So then you just talk about CACD integration. Okay. So that is too advanced concept.
Okay. Okay.
Right, Bharat? We'll help you. Don't worry, man. You're uh, okay. Don't bother about that. Okay. That's it, guys. Any queries? Shall I wrap up? I hope you cleared.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Ashok. Yeah.
No, no, nothing. No queries, Lokesh.
Yeah. That's it. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining today. We'll see you in next class. Okay. So please try to contact with admin team. So then they'll help you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.